bright hello to all our Miller lighting enthusiasts out there. I'm Gil Miller with Miller Lighting Products, and been in business, family business, since 1975. And as per our series, we're bringing you many of our products. Today, this month, we have our family of wall packs that are color adjustable and watt adjustable. And this just kind of shows you the different styles that we have available, from full cutoff to standard to adjustable swivel. And it's so easy, your gerbil can do it. And as I show you right here, here's our wattage switch, which goes up to 120 watts, and we have them down from 40, 60, and 80 watt. And then right here, we can adjust the color, which typically your buildings are going to be a 5,000 Kelvin. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Check us out, MillerLightingProducts.com, or call one of our knowledgeable service reps. And until next time, thank you for listening. Gil Miller with Miller Lighting Products.